Harika Günaydın. Ben Micaela Bahian, and today I am going to make one of the signature dish of Turkey, which is the pilav. Make sure you are wearing your PPEs or personal protective equipment like your hairnet and hair cap, your apron, your chef jacket, and then make sure your nails are clean. Let's get started. The ingredients are rice, onion, garlic, and olive oil. If you'd like, you can put different vegetables on it. Let's cut the onion and garlic first. After cutting the onion and garlic, let's cook the pilaw. We have here our pan. Now, we're going to cook the pilaw. Here in the pan, make sure that it is hot before putting the oil, olive oil. After putting the olive oil, next is the garlic and then the onion. Next is the rice. When it is starting to brown, put the chicken broth or the vegetable broth. And then mix it and boil it.